15. The following graph represents a hypothetical potential energy curve for a particle of mass m. If the potential energy function is given by u of r equals br to the negative 3/2 plus c, where b and c are constants, which of the following is an expression for the force on the particle? Any potential energy function is such that the force function is the negative of the derivative of the potential energy with respect to position. If we take the derivative of this power function, the constant c disappears. And according to the derivation theorems, we have positive 3/2 b r to the negative 5/2. That is option A.